Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. What is the difference between R and RB, which is read and read binary? So have you ever opened a file in Python and seen weird letters, strange symbols, or worse, an error that says Unicode decode error? It probably happened because you used the wrong mode, R or RB. So today I'll break down what these modes really mean, how they work under the hood, and when to use them with simple examples and clear explanations. Whether you are handling TXT files, images, PDFs, or binary data from the web, this will save you hours of debugging. So let's start today's video. We will start with the basic, where R means read text and RB means read binary. At first glance they look similar, but what they return is very different. So R returns a string and RB returns in byte. So R is basically used in reading plain text, for example like txt and .csv files, and RB is used in binary files, for example PNG, PDF, MP3, or for unknown encodings. So let's see how R is used for reading text. So in this example, open my file.txt R. This opens a file in the text mode which handles closing the file automatically, and f.read reads the entire file and decodes the byte into a Python string, usually using UTF-8. So here we get readable clean output, which is great for logs, configuration files, CSVs, and etc. So this is our my file.txt file, which all the text we have added in this will print here. And now a basic question arises that where RB comes from. So now we'll see a basic example with RB. It tells Python, don't decode, just give me the raw bytes as is. So we'll see a basic example using RB. So in this example, RB, which is read binary, and f.read returns a bytes object, not a string. So this will give the output in binary form. Let's see its output. So here we can see the output it gives in this form. So this is powerful when you need raw files like images, PDFs, and MP3s files, custom decoding, full control over how the data is interpreted. And if you want to decode it manually, you can simply write Use this if you are unsure about the file's encoding and want to handle error yourself. So now think of R as hiring a translator. It reads the word and explains them to you. But RB, that's like using a scanner. You get the raw ink on the page but no interpretation. So now let's try opening an image with RB. So here PNG's action binary data is opening in text mode R would corrupt it. So here type content confirm it's a byte object. So now let's see what happens if you are using R with the same file. So firstly let's see its output, as here we have used RB. So as it returns class bytes. Now we'll use R in the same code. So this will give an error as we are trying to read the binary data. So in this video, R is read text which returns string and RB is read binary which returns byte, and use RB for lines that are not plain text downloaded from the internet. In an unknown or non-UTF-8 encoding, decode manually when you need control. So if this video helped you, or if you like this video, please do like this video. So thanks for watching this video.